Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're newer, hi! So, I'm a Dutch girl and we don't really celebrate Halloween, but I've always loved it. So, this Dutch girl is gonna try to carve a pumpkin, and if you want to find out how I went from this to this, then keep watching. I have my pumpkin. I have never done this before, so this is gonna be a challenge. First thing we do is emptying this out. Let's see. Okay, this is not that easy. Oh, I have to be careful that I don't stab myself. Oh man. I grabbed the plastic bag to hold this. Ta-da! I also have a plate to put everything on because I don't want to make a giant mess. Now I have my spoon. Let's just carve this out. I'm thinking about saving the seeds because my boyfriend loves to garden things because we have our own tomatoes and strawberries. Maybe for next year we can grow our own pumpkin. So I didn't even know you could eat pumpkins. I seriously thought they were just grown for Halloween. I know that's stupid. Have you ever carved a pumpkin in your life? If so, what kind of face did you make? Let me know in the comments down below because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I want to make it creepy. If I can, I don't know, but we'll see. Oh, this feels really weird. So now I'm taking my pen and I'm gonna find a beautiful spot to draw something. I am drawing the lines that I have carved out. I'm making a mouth. So I have my mouth and the teeth drawn on. And then for the eyes, I'm gonna start by carving out the eyes. I feel like that should be the easiest task. Maybe if I use my Stanley, this is not going the way I wanted to. Yeah, it's getting there. And there we have it, one eye. Let's finish doing the other one. I'm gonna use the Stanley for the first cut, and then with my other knife, I'm gonna carve it all out. So I fixed the eyes a little bit. I'm gonna continue doing the mouth now. And I'm gonna go in with my Stanley knife, follow all the lines. And the reason I do this, so that it's easier to follow with my other knife. And I wanna make teeth, so what I'm gonna do is go over, not too deep, slightly. Then I'm gonna start carving out the mouth. Really good arm workout, I have to tell you that. Now that that's done, I'm gonna try to carefully go around the teeth. There we have it! Yeah! Now I'm gonna fix the teeth up with my Stanley knife. I'm dropping everything everywhere. So right now I'm gonna make everything look a little bit better. I'm gonna do the finishing touches. So I made the lines a little bit more sharper, as you can see. So, and now I'm gonna carve this. I'm grabbing my Stanley knife. Only a little bit of the top. Like that. So I get it like this. And there you have it, my pumpkin. And then again, all you do is just perfect it and make it as you wish. So for my first pumpkin I've ever carved, how do you think I did? I think I did pretty well. It looks good. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you give me? 1 being really bad, 10 being really good. Let me know in the comments down below. And then we put the top back on and it looks like nothing happened. So if you want to carve your own pumpkin, all you need is a pen or pencil to line what you want to carve out, a sharp kitchen knife, I would recommend using a Stanley knife, and a spoon.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to show me some love.
I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something from it if you want to carve your own pumpkin. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Bye!